welcome to another mini tutorial from UPVC Spares for Repairs. And today we're looking at the Cotswold Sinidex range of friction stay hinges. The Cotswold Sinidex range of friction stays are available in 8-inch, 10-inch, 12-inch, 16-inch, 20-inch and 24-inch. But also they're stack heights of either 13mm or 17mm. The stack height represents the overall thickness of the stay, either 13mm or 17mm. Whilst the stays are on the window, there is a great deal of difficulty in identifying between 17mm stack and 13mm stack height, as is here. Here are 3 hinges from different manufacturers, none of which have any single identifying feature to tell you that they are 17mm. The best way to measure the stays is, once you've removed them from the window, to lay them down on a flat surface and to measure from the face here to the back of the plate, which will determine the height. This one is 13mm. This one is 17mm. If, however, you're unsure about the stack heights, the best get out of jail card we offer is we suggest you purchase the 13mm stack hinge along with a 4mm packer, which you can attach to the side of the hinge to give you 17mm in height.